Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Department. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a virtual machine in VirtualBox. So let's get started. So today on the Tech Department we are in fact learning how to install a virtual machine in Windows. Windows 11 will be used in this example, but this process also works in Windows 10. Before we get started though, I wanted to go through what a virtual machine is and why you would want to use it. A virtual machine is a guest operating system inside of your computer or laptop's operating system, otherwise known as a host operating system. So in a nutshell, it's a computer inside of a computer. Why would you want to use a virtual machine? A virtual machine would be helpful for the following reasons. If you wanted to use a piece of software or a game that doesn't work in your host operating system, take Civilization 4, a strategy war game. It works on 95, 98, Windows 2000, and Windows XP, but not on Windows 10 or 11. If you want to test a piece of software that you have no idea what it is, either if it is either completely legit or if it's a piece of virus or malware. So now that out of the way, let's get to installing and using a virtual machine inside of VirtualBox. First thing you want to do is install VirtualBox from VirtualBox's website. Once an exe file is downloaded to your computer, click it and click yes when the computer asks you the question, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? If it says, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to this device, then click no, as the exe file that you download is probably either changed or has malware. Another window will open, asking what type of hard disk you want. Just leave it on the default, which should be VDI. Click next. Leave it at the default, which should be dynamically allocated. Click next. Leave the folder as the default. Then choose how much space you want the virtual machine to have. For new operating systems such as Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11, you want to have the size between 50 gigabytes and 100 gigabytes if your host machine allows you to do so. Click Create. Click Start on your new virtual machine. Click the icon that shows a folder with a little up arrow. In the new window that pops up, click Add. Find where you put the .iso file that you downloaded earlier. Select it and click Open. In the window should be the name of the ISO that you just chose. Click it and click Choose. That window will close upon you clicking Choose. Once that has happened, click Start on the window that you see now. Your machine is now starting. Once it's done, you may go through the setup process of the operating system. Once you are done with the setup process, you can now use it like you would your normal computer. Here's some tips for getting you started. You can copy and paste files from your computer or laptop to the virtual machine. To do this, click Devices at the top of the screen, then click Shared Clipboard, then click Bidirectional. You can also drag and drop from your computer or laptop to the virtual machine. To do this, you want to click Devices at the top of the screen, click Drag and Drop, then click Bidirectional. If you copy programs like an exe or MSI file into your virtual machine, you can click them and run them like normal. Thank you all for watching this tutorial on how to install and use a virtual machine. If you like this video, please be sure to click the thumbs up. If you have any issues, please leave them in the comments below. Also, please make sure to subscribe to both this channel and the Digital Media Group channel. It will be linked in the description. Also be sure to follow my TikTok at RealSeamusDYKMG and at RealSeamusDYKMG_spam. And add me on Snapchat at SeamusTDM. Also be sure to check out our new podcast, The Tech Nerds, on Podbean. It will be linked in the description. Other than that, though, I'll see you later. Peace.